You know, Tony, the next thing we need to do is put up what's called nail stops. When the sheetrocker comes in here, he's going to want to put a sheetrock up with screws or nails. And if he drives it through where there's an electrical wire, that could cause a disaster, a fire, all kinds of situations.
Are we going to run into a problem if we're using nail stops and he's using screws?
Not at all.
Do we need screw stops?
I think they'll stop both.
Okay, good.
So let's put these up here. We're going to, everywhere where there's a piece of wire that comes through a stud or through the top plate, we need to install one of these to protect that wire.
Absolutely. We don't want any electrified screws.
We're going to put this over here where the wires come down through the top plate and nail them on. These things are designed with little spikes on either end of them and they just hammer in.
Yeah. Very convenient.
And that's it.
We got a few more of these to put up. Let's get it done.
These nail stops are made by Simpson Strong Tie. They make long ones and short ones depending on your application.